Alright guys, it's Brad's birthday today.
It's my birthday.
I'm tired.
We're on our way to Home Depot to pick up a legit tool chest. Somewhere we can
Store the tools.
Store our tools, our weapons of mass destruction.
Oh my god.
Edit that part out.
Insert edit here.
We got Jack and Victor behind us.
They're rolling into the
Rolling. Jack just bought a CRX. We'll zoom in here a little bit.
CMX there.
You can see that in the mirror right there. It is stripped completely.
Bare bones. But a nice big rust spot.
I mean, I'm surprised that the car doesn't have a hole through the frame or anything like that, or the bottom of the car. But yeah, he needed a daily. He's got his E32 that he's building. That's down at the moment, so of course he wanted to pick up a CRX, which is super reliable. It actually sounds pretty good. It's got a full exhaust, NVIDIA catback,
D16A.
Yep. But yeah, we're in the Rover.
Yep, we're in the range.
Talk about a gas guzzler. Trying to get Jack to come behind us so you guys can see his fucking beater CRX, but the thing just screams Honda.
Oh, 100%.
Come on, Jack. Come on, buddy. You know you want to send it. There it is.
Oh my god, you smell it?
Oh my god.
Oh.
Smells great. I fucking love it.
Honda power.
Spark plugs versus phone. Spark plugs. Phone. Phone takes the W. Spark plugs, we'll have to wait. Alright, so we got one headlight in. Show you guys real quick. Boom. There it is, brand new. All 4 bolts put back, one here, 2 down there, and then 1 underneath, which was a pain in the ass. Now we're unboxing the second light.
Eagle eye, eagle fang, karate.
Let us know in the comments what you guys think about Brad's pajamas. I think he's killing the game.
Look at you.
Me?
Yeah.
I got track pants on.
Track pants and about as much of pajamas as my pajamas.
Oh man, I think you're killing it with those PJs. I'm not gonna lie.
They are comfy.
Damn, look at that. Zoom in on that. Look at that.
She bang. Look at that.
Look at all that padding, man. It's like they delivered a baby.
Jesus, dude. I get a fucking baby from a stork. Oh shit, the clip fell off. Where's this clip go?
What clip?
This little guy.
Huh.
It just fell off. I don't know where. Oh. That was it. Melting it. You know?
Yep.
Man, we have so much fun. See, like, that's not even the same size bolt.
All right, first headlight off.
Well, maybe.
Out with the old, soon to be in with the new.
Why is it not coming off?